This is Python control flow part 2. Let us look into for loop. For x in range of 5, print x. Just to separate the next piece of code, I'm just printing AND here. For x in range of 3, 5, print x. And to separate this piece of code, I've written print of AND here. And this one is for x in ABCDE, print x. Let us run it and check the results. So in the first case, it is for x in range 5, print x. That is, indexing starts from 0. So it has printed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In range of 5 means 5 numbers. So it has printed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has printed now is n. Next part of the code is for x in range of 3, 5, print x. So it's starting from 3 up to 5. That is 3 and 4, including 3 and excluding 5. So it has printed range 3, 5 means starting from 3 and up to 5. That is 3 and 4. And this one excluding 5. And we have printed and the next piece of code is, this is straightforward, for x in ABCDE, print x. ABCDE. Now let us look into break and continue with for loop. So here for x in range of 10, I'm printing x, and if x is equal to 5, I'm breaking it out, and here I'm incrementing x is equal to x plus 1. This print, and to separate this piece of code, I'm printing this n. For x in range 5, if x is equal to 3, continue, and I'm printing x. So the same logic which we have used previously for break and continue, executed. Now first part of the code is for x in range 10. So up to 10 it will go on printing, it will print x, but if x is equal to 5, we are saying it to break and then increment. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has printed up to 5, and then it has breaked out of the for loop. And we have printed this and here. And for x in range 5, if x is equal to 3, we are saying continue. So it has printed 0, 1, 2 and skipped 3 because print is after this if statement. So it skipped 3 and then it has printed 4. So that's how we can use break and continue in the for loop. Now we will see how we will increment in for loop. Here in the range of 10 and range of 5, it is by default taking 1 as increment. So here, because we are even giving x is equal to x plus 1. Now let us take out this. Now for x in range, will start from 1, go up to 10 and increment by 2. So we'll print this. For x in range starting from 1 and up to 10, we will increment by 2. Let us execute this. So it has started from 1 and incrementing by 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So it will increment up to 10. So it has printed 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now let us see nested for loop. Here for x in range 1, 3, that means including 1 and excluding 3. And the nested for loop is for y in a comma b comma c. Here we are not giving range, we are saying for y in a b c. We are printing now. Here we have to give this column print x comma y. So this for loop is inside this for loop for x in range 1 comma 3, and for y in a comma b comma c we are printing x comma y. So debug, start without debugging. So it has initially come to 1 and it has taken this 1a, 1b and 1c and moved on to the next number, which is 2, and we should exclude 3. So 2a, 2b and 2c. So this is how the nested for loops can be created. Now let us find even and odd numbers between numbers 1 to 10. So here for x in range 1 comma 10, if x modulus of 2 is equal to 0, modulus of 2 means the remainder. If it is 0, then print x even, else print x odd. Let us execute this. So it has printed 1 is odd, 2 is even, 3 is odd, 4 is even, 5 is odd, 6 is even, 7 is odd, 8 is even, 9 is odd. So here if x mod 2, if the remainder is 0, it has printed even, else it has printed odd. And in this for loop it is going from 1 to 10.